Children, let me see. Exercise 4.2 ninth sum. A branded air conditioner has a marked price of rupees 38,000. There are two options given for the customer. Okay, what are the two options? Selling price is the same, 38,000. Selling price is same. But with the attractive gift worth for 3,000 is given. Okay. So that is the first option. The second option is discount of 8% on the market price, but no free gifts. No free gifts. Which offer is better? Which offer is better? So what is the first one? The selling price 38,000 same only, but they are given attractive gift. Okay, the second option, the discount of 8% on the market price. So which option is better for the customer? That is the question. Okay. Okay. Now first we find out the first. If you use this first condition, that means first offer, what bill amount will come? Now we see. Then if we use this option, okay, what bill amount will come? Compare the two bill amount, then we find out which offer is better. Okay, okay. Let me see the first one. So case 1. So case 1. So here the selling price is rupees 38,000. 38,000. And the gift worth that is rupees 3,000. So the gift worth is 3,000 means what is actual selling price? The actual selling price is equal to rupees 38,000 minus this is gift worth, no? So this 3,000 you have to subtract from the selling price. Okay, so the actual selling price is equal to rupees, see, 35,000. This is the selling price. Okay, so this is the bill amount. The first case bill amount. Okay, okay. So now find out the second bill amount. Okay, so already find out what is given here. Discount of 8%. So here what is MT market price? See, the market price that is rupees 38,000. Okay, then discount percentage is 8%. Discount is 8%. You have to find out the selling price. Okay, so what is the formula? If market price discount percentage is given, means what is the selling price formula? 100 minus discount percentage by 100 of MT. Okay, so 100 minus 8%, that means 8 by 100 of 38,000. 38,000. Okay, so here 92. 100 minus 8, 92 by 100 multiple 38,000. Okay, so two zeros cancel. Okay, you can multiply with the 38 into 92. Okay, so what comes here? 76. 38 2s are 76. Here, so 8 9s are 72, 7, 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Okay, 6, 9, 4, 3. One more 0. Okay, so 34,960. This is the selling price for the second case. This is case 2. Case 2. Okay, that means the first offer we applied for the case 1. The second offer applied for the case 2. So here firstly compare the selling price. So here the selling price is 35,000. Okay, here the selling price is 34,960. Okay, so which selling price is less? The second is selling price only the less. So the customer choose only the second option because the selling price there becomes less. What is it, children? So comparing the case 1 and the case 2, the selling price, case 2 selling price is less. Okay, so here which offer is the better offer? The second offer is the better offer. Okay, therefore the second offer is better. Okay, for the second offer is better. Compare these two selling prices. So this only the less. Okay, so the second offer is better. Understand, children? So children, exercise 4.2, 10th sum. If a mattress is marked for rupees 7,500 and is available at two successive discounts of 10% and 20%, find the amount to be paid by the customer. So that means selling price. Okay. So here, what is the formula for selling price? If two successive discounts are given, on the price and two successive discounts are given, find out the selling price. Okay. So how do you find out this? What is the formula? SP is equal to MP of 1 minus D1. That means D1 is the first discount. Okay. Discount percentage. D1 by 100 of 1 minus D2 by 100. This is the formula for finding the amount paid by the customer. Okay. So what is given here? MP and two successive discounts. Okay. Now see what is MP? 7,500. Okay. Of say 1 minus what is that? 10. The first discount is 10%. So 10 by 100 of 1 minus here D2 is 20. 20 by 100. Okay. Okay. Now 7,500. So rupees 7,500 of, see here, 10 cancel. Okay. So 10 minus, if you do the cross multiply here, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 10. Okay. See here. So here 10 cancel. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 by 10. Understand, children? Now cancel here 2 zeros. Okay. Now multiply 75. Here 9 8s are 72. Okay. So multiply 75 by 72. So 75 multiply 72. So here 2 75s are 150. Okay. 7 5s are 35. 3 49 plus 2 is 52. Okay. 0 here 0. 4, 5. Okay. So the selling price that is equal to rupees 5,400. Okay. After two successive discount. Okay. Understood, children? Good. Now we see this 11th sum. That means these questions are objective type questions. Objective type questions. See the first one. A fruit vendor sells fruits for rupees 200 gaining rupees 40. Okay. So the selling price is 200, gaining is rupees 40. Okay. So what is this gain percentage? That is asking. Okay. So first you find out the cost price. Cost price. Okay. So how do you find out the cost price? See, CP is equal to, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Okay. So selling price minus profit means what is the selling price? Rupees 200. 200 minus 40. So that is rupees 160. Okay. This is the cost price. Okay. Now find out the discount percentage. Discount, sorry, not discount, gain percentage. Gain percentage is equal to gain by CP multiple 100%. Okay. So what is gain? Gain rupees 40. 40 by 160 multiple 100%. Okay. Here 0 0 cancel. Here 1 time. Here 4 times. So 4 cancel with the 100. That is the 25. Okay. So gain percentage is equal to 25%. by selling a flower pot for rupees 528. So selling price is rupees 528. A woman gained 20%. At what price should she sell it to gain 25%? Okay, so first we have to find out the cost price for the first gain. Okay, cost price for the first gain. So in this first case, see case 1, here SP is equal to 525 rupees, 528. Okay, then gain percentage is equal to 20%. Okay, now find out the cost price. You know already the formula. Selling price and gain is given. Find out the cost price. CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus. Here gain no, so plus gain percentage of SP. Okay, so 100 by gain, here gain is 20. So 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 of 528. Okay, 1 0 cancel. Now cancel with which table here possible? Cancel the second table here 6 times. Here means 2 times remaining 1. So 6 times here 4 times. Okay. So I think 6th table possible. Okay. So here how many 6? 6 3s are 18. Okay. 6 3s are, sorry, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Remaining 24. So again 4. Okay. So cost price that is equal to rupees 440. Here 44 no. So 44 here multiplied by 10. So that is cost price is 440. Okay. Now see this is CP. This cost price you have to use in the case 2. Okay. So what is case 2? Now here you take a CP is equal to rupees 440. And the next gain percentage is equal to 25%. Now you have to find out the selling price. Okay. Selling price. Good. Now see. So selling price is equal to, you know that formula, 100 plus gain percentage by 100 of CP. Okay, here what is gain percentage? 25. So 100 plus 25 is 125 by 100 multiple 440. Okay, so 1 0 cancel. Okay, then here cancel the fifth table. 2 times 5 times possible. Then here 2 times. This 2 cancel with here 22. Okay. So 25 multiplied with the 22. 50. Okay. So that is 550. So what is selling price? Rupees 550. Okay. Which option is the correct option? See. Here B option is the correct option. Okay, so she sell it to gain 25% is rupees 550. Understand children? So exercise 4.2 objective type questions, 13th one. Objective type questions, 13th one. Okay, see a man buys an article for rupees 150 and makes overhead expenses which are 12% of the cost price. At what price must he sell it to gain for 5%? This is the question. Okay. So what is the cost price? CP. What is given in this question? CP is rupees 150. Here overhead expenses are 12%. Okay, ma? So overhead expenses means you find out that amount of overhead expenses. That is equal to 12% of CP. So that is 12 by 100 multiple. CP is how much? Cost price. Cost price is 150. Okay. Now cancel with the 50th table here 2 times. Here 3 times. So here second table 6 times. 6 3s are 18. Okay. So how much rupees overhead expense? 18 rupees. Okay. So now what is the actual CP? 168. This is the actual cost price. Now we are going to find out the selling price. Selling price. Okay. So selling price, that is equal to, you know already selling cost price and the gain are given. So find out the selling price. Okay. So that is 100 plus gain percentage by 100 of CP, cost price. Okay. So what is your gain percentage? 5%. So 100 plus 5% is 105. 105 by 100 into the actual CP is how much? 168. 168. Okay. So now here we cancel the fifth we multiply these two, then we divide by 100. Okay. So 168 multiplied by 105. Okay. Okay. Now see, multiply this. Here 40. 8 5s are 40. Then 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 3, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then on 0 here. Okay. Next you see 168. 168. Okay. So how much? 0, 4, 16, 1, 7. Here 1. So this gives 17640 by 100. Okay. So 100 means we put the decimal point after 2 digits. So this is equal to rupees 176.40. Okay. So therefore SP is selling price is rupees 176.40. 40 means 176 rupees 40 pies. So this is C option. Understood, children? Good. Now we see the 14th one. What is the MP of a hat which is bought for rupees 210 at 16% discount? Okay. Your selling price and discount is given. You have to find out the market price. Okay. So what is the selling price? Selling price is equal to rupees 210 and discount percentage is equal to 16. Okay, find out the MP. So MP is equal to, you know already, so 100 formula, 100 by 100 minus discount percentage of SP. Okay, so 100 by, so your discount is 16. So 100 minus 16 is 84. 84. What is the selling price? Selling price is 210. Okay. Okay. Now you are cancelling the seventh table. 1 time, 2 times. Seventh table. Okay. So you are cancelling seventh table 3 times 0. Okay. Okay. Now cancel the sixth table. Here 2 times. Sixth table 2 times. Here sixth table is 5 times. Okay. Okay. Now cancel with your second table. We get here 50. 55s are how much? 250. Okay. So therefore MP market price that is equal to 250 rupees. Okay. Okay. Where is the option 250? Here. This is the correct answer. Okay. Market price is equal to rupees 250. Okay. Okay. Now you see the single discount in percentage which is equivalent to 2 successive discount of 20% and 25% is, you have to find out the single percentage, discount percentage. Okay. So here, see, you are not given that MP. So you consider MP is 100 rupees. Okay. So okay. Now let MP market price be rupees 100. For this 100, you have to find out the 2 successive discounts for selling price. Find out the selling price. Selling price is equal to, you know that formula, MP of 1 minus discount D1 by 100 of 1 minus D2 by 100. 2 successive discount formula. Okay, here what is MP? Now we consider 100 rupees. So 100. Then 1 minus the discount, first discount is 20%, that means 20 by 100. Then 1 minus, Here 25 by 100. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is equal to 100 multiple. Here, see 1 0 1 0 cancel. So here 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 by 10. Here, see 100 minus 25 is 100 minus 25 is 75. 75 by 100. Okay. Okay. Now cancel here. 1 0 1 0 cancel and 1 more 0 1 more 0 cancel. Okay. Okay. Now multiply these two. What we get? 75. 8 am I correct? Here 2 zeros cancel. I will cancel with here. Fifth table here 2 times. Here 1 time. Remaining 5. Okay. Then cancel with here. Second table 4 times. Okay. So what comes here? 4 15s are 60. 60 rupees 60. So the selling price is rupees 60. Okay. See, market price is rupees 100. Okay, wow. So selling price is here rupees 60. Okay, wow. So market price 100, selling price is 60 means how much here the discount is? How much discount? Yes, because here I calculated MP by 100. So here the SP is 60. So 40% is discount. Okay. So the discount percentage is equal to 40%. Okay. 100 minus 60 is 40. Okay. So the discount percentage is 40%. Understand children? Compare these two. We get that discount percentage is 40%. Okay. Where is that option? So A option is the option. Okay. Listen children. Thank you children.